Good morning. In this video, I want to show you how to make a bandsaw box just like this one. These are really easy to make and they're a lot of fun because you can customize them to any shape that you like. So the video you're going to see here is about 75 or 80% all new footage combined with about 20-25% footage from my original bandsaw box video 10 years ago. I've been wanting to update that video for so long because, well, it was shot with a potato. Unfortunately, as you probably already know, as I was shooting my new video, my bandsaw broke. But I very cleverly stitched together the new footage with the old footage. You won't even be able to tell the difference. I designed this box so that you only need 1x4 lumber to make it. In other words, 3/4 of an inch thick by 3.5 inches wide. Crosscut 4 pieces at 5 inches long and glue them all into one big block. My 4 pieces are all from the same walnut board, but it could be fun to mix it up and use different species of wood for the different boards. I made this exact bandsaw box design 9 years ago, and when I wanted to make this video, I was thinking maybe I should make a new design, but no, this is the perfect design. There is no bandsaw box design more perfect than this one. But I think this is a good one to get started with because it has pretty simple curves, it's elegant, and it can easily be made with a 1/4 inch blade on your bandsaw, so you don't need something really tight. There's no tight turns in this. If you'd like to try this out, there's a link in the description where you can download this template. I've cut out that template and I'm gonna line the bottom of it up with one of these faces. I've got all of the boards running this way, so this will go on the face. I'll stick this on with spray adhesive. Starting this is easy. All I want to do is cut out this outside shape, and the nice thing about a bandsaw box is it doesn't have to be exact. You know, if you miss the line a little bit, no worries. And there's the basic shape of the box. Again, get creative here. Make it whatever shape and size you want. This tool is a scribe. It's got a little pin on here that can scratch a mark and keep it parallel with the one face. So what I want to do is make a line where I can cut the back of this box off. You know, if you don't have one of these tools, you could just, you know, use a pencil and just draw a straight line. It doesn't have to actually be that straight when you cut this thing. It'll all fit back together fine. So again, that's the back of the box. Here's the front. I still have the template on the front, and now I just want to cut this back off as straight as I can. And that came out pretty good. So I don't need this back for a while. I'll set it aside. Now what I need to do is cut out this middle part. So what you got to decide is where you want to make an entry point in the place that will be, you know, the least visible. Now what I want to do is glue this back together, and that actually will make the drawer fit a little bit nicer because it kind of removes that kerf. So then the drawer will slide in and out like that. You might want to use a brush to kind of get the glue down in there, but you should be able to just kind of let it drip down in. This is the drawer here, so what I need to do is cut the back and the front off. I'll scribe it just like I did the main part of the box. So to recap up to this point, I've got the body of the box drying, this is the back of the box, and this will be the drawer. And I've cut off the back and the front. Alright, and that gives me the inside of the drawer, and this little extra chunk you're not going to use, but you might want to save it because you can cut out part of it to use as a pull. And of course now I think you can see what's going to happen. I've got the drawer here, and these were the two, the back and the front, that I cut off. So I will just glue those back on. The only tricky part here is remembering which is the front and which is the back. but I think I got it. Now I'm going to make that drawer pull, and first I'm just going to slice this down a little bit thinner. And just cut some sort of a shape out of it. That's kind of neat. There is my drawer pull, and kind of looks like a pork chop. With the drawer all glued together, I was able to glue the back onto the box. I'm going to put some Danish oil on this. And there's the finished box, the red cedar and oak bandsaw box. Oh, what do you think? I bet you never even noticed the transition from old to new. That's some expert level CGI there. I had my team working on that for the last 48 hours straight. I'll see you guys later.